We are living in the last days where knowledge has been increased, books have been unsealed, and many go to and fro. We have grown up in a modern-day Egypt in which most have no idea we have been enslaved to it. From birth, they seek to cage our minds and soul through subtlety and manipulation. Praise be to Yahuwah, our Father, who has given us new eyes and ears to see clearly that the whole world lies in the tentacles of Mystery Babylon, preparing the earth to receive the wicked one. We have been coming out of her and learning so much truth. Tonight, we will be diving into much of what has been obscured from us, our true beginnings. While the world attempts to teach us that we came from monkeys and stardust, the first book of Adam and Eve expounds on what we know from Genesis and fills the gaps of the rest of the story. The first of our kind, Adam and Eve, their story, the earliest interactions and prophecies about Messiah Yahusha, and what we need to understand in the end times.